Children, there was a question once in from electromagnetism. What are three methods to produce current? What are the three methods to produce current? Okay, this was the question. This was the question. And other question was, what are three methods we studied? Three types of frequency, three types or three methods, anything you ask children, anything. Three types of getting magnetic field. Okay, of getting magnetic field. Here, what are three methods to produce current, and what are the three methods to produce magnetic field? Okay, this is one. Yes, children. Answer. Which you studied in 10th class CBSE only, you should mention. Which you studied in our textbook. Three methods, children. What are three methods, children, which we studied? First one, if ever you remember, children, there was single coil experiment. Do you remember, children?
Yes, sir.
Single coil experiment. In single coil experiment, what we did, children, here we kept a galvanometer and here we took a bar magnet. We pushed it inside and outside, inside and outside, inside and outside. Then current was set up in this. That is one. Single coil experiment. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. That is one. Number two, children, double coil experiment. Double coil experiment. Do you remember double coil experiment, children? Here we will keep one galvanometer and here we will keep one battery and switch, children. And here we will switch on, switch off, switch on, switch off, switch on, switch off. That is another. And what is the third one, children? Electric generator. Electric generator. These are three methods of producing current. Single coil experiment we studied, double coil experiment we studied, and electrical generator also we studied. These are the three methods to produce current in the circuits. Okay, children. Now, what are the three methods to get the magnetic field, which we studied in our 10th class? Okay, children. First one, if you remember, children, straight conductor produces
Circular magnetic
concentric circles.
yeah, circular magnetic field. First one is straight conductor. Straight conductor produces circular magnetic field. Circular magnetic field. Okay, this is number one. What is number two? Eventually,
circular conductor.
circular conductor produces
Straight magnetic.
straight magnetic field. Circular conductor produces straight magnetic field. This is other one. What is third one? I will see who is
Solenoid.
Very good. Solenoid. Very good. Very good. Solenoid. In solenoid also we can produce magnetic field. In solenoid also we can produce magnetic field. The inside the solenoid magnetic field is uniform, like this. So three methods of producing current. Some important questions. Apart from this, in single coil experiment, they are asking one question, children. In single coil experiment, they are asking this question, children. Please see here. In single coil experiment, they are asking this, children. Do you remember? This is single coil. Here we will take a bar magnet. Here we will take a bar magnet, and we push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull. If you are doing continuously like this, here current is produced. What they are asking on this experiment, children, this is 13.7 or 8, children, in your textbook. 7 or 8 and 9. I think 7. Okay, whatever it may be. So we are pushing and we are pulling, children. He is asking question. First question: what happens on pushing? Number two: what happens on pulling? What happens just if you keep? What happens if you keep this bar magnetic thrust? These are the three questions. So how you write the examples? Yeah, what happens?
Sir, when we push and
to
pull,
one side.
it will deflect, sir. Needle of the compass will deflect, and if we put it in rest, it won't deflect.
Yeah, but you should, how you will answer the exam for my question, my example, right? Pushing side thing, it deflects to one side, full statement, it deflects to one side. It deflects to one side, underline one side. And if possible, you draw compass one side like this. It deflects. When you push, compass needle deflects to one side. Leave one line gap. When you're pulling, it deflects to other side. Right now, it deflects to other side. Underline other side. Compass you put like this. It deflects to other side. When you push one side, when you pull other side, when you push one side, when you pull other side, when you push one side, when you pull other side. When you keep this at rest,
No deflection.
no deflection. If possible, come possible. Leave one line gap and you should know what you know. One will take your marks. That's it. They're asking like this. They are asking like this. Okay. Or on this also they're asking children. On this also too. Double coil experiment also. What they're asking is what happens if you switch on? What happens if you switch off? And what happens if you switch on and keep? Switch on and keep. On switching on, what happens? On switching off, what happens? What happens on switching? And keeping like that. On switching on, momentarily, you should write momentarily, means just for a moment, the galvanometer deflects to one side. Momentarily means just it will deflect and come back. On switching off, momentarily it goes to other side. Momentarily, galvanometer deflects to other side. Momentarily, galvanometer deflects to other side. Momentarily. Switch on and keep. Continuously switch on and keep. No deflection. No deflection. Switch off and keep. No deflection. Children, continuously switch on, switch off, switch on, switch off, switch on, switch off. Then what happens? Continuously galvanometer also shows deflection. When you switch on, it will deflect and come back. When you switch off, it will deflect and come back. When you switch on and off continuously, it keeps on deflecting. When you switch on and keep like that, it won't show any deflection. This question also they may ask based on this. Like there's different varieties of questions will ask children to see how much you understood the topic, children. How much you understood the topic. Based on your understanding capacity of a particular topic only, children, they will analyze your knowledge. Not that I learned solenoid, I write solenoid character comes. I learn generator full, I'll write answer like that. You see, they won't ask like that, children. They'll ask in different ways. They'll ask in different ways. They will not ask you directly. They will not ask you directly. They'll ask you in different ways. Like this in different questions I was discussing with you, children. So I hope you all understood. Anyone have